We go, we go, I go, we go, we go, we go.
Our dear leaders of this great local government area, led by my friend, my colleague before, Chief President Break, the member representing Degimba local government in the State Assembly, Honorable Peter Abbey. The young vibrating chairman of the local government council, the two chairmen of APC and PDP in the local government, and the two chairmen of APC and PDP in the state, the zonal vice chairman of APC South-South, the single senators, our dear leaders who are here. Let me say to the people of Degimba local government area, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I thank you the way you turned out to receive us for this thank you visit. One thing that's important in life, when somebody does good to you, when somebody has helped you, you say thank you. In 2023, it was difficult for us to take a decision. But we took that decision because in life, it's worse that you don't take a decision. We took a decision, we never knew where we were heading to. But God is infinite mercy, directed us well, guided us well. And we decided that we were going to support our dear President, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who today is the President of Nigeria. And we have said so that in 2027 we have no other choice but to continue to support him. In the history of Rivers State, my friend Dr. Honorable Harry, I just said here, we've never had it so good in terms of human capital development, in terms of appointments. If we begin to read out the names of what Mr. President has done, it may be another envy for us. But let us thank Mr. President for the most recent and very important ones he did yesterday. That appointing our sons, Senator Magnus Ngeyabe, and the Chairman Board of Directors of the Austrian. And again, appointing one of us, Chief Kenneth Kobani, as executive, as a member of the board of Mid and Upstream. All are concerned about oil. No president has done that before. And that is how you know those who love you. Again, you can also see that, you know, when a father blesses a particular child every time, it also creates envy. It also creates enmity. The love Mr. President has shown to us, by the grace of God, I know people are not happy. But let them not be happy. God be with us, we will get more.
Amen.
So we decided that we can't come back here to ask you for something without coming to say, the one you did for us, thank you. And we appreciate you. We will not take your support for granted. But one thing that's important, today, we are able to take back the Degema Local Government Council.
Agreement is agreement, you. Agreement is agreement, you. I said you don't reach it for settlement. They get to tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement, you. Oh, agreement is agreement, you. That's all we talk about. You don't reach it for settlement. You don't reach it for settlement. Wow.
We did not sit down with Mr. President and say, you will do this, you will do this. We would never do that. But all I know he told us was, go and support us. When we win, we'll make sure your state is heavily compensated, is heavily rewarded. We do not sit down to say, this is an agreement. But there are some people who will have an agreement, we had an agreement. All we are saying, keep to the agreement we have. Is that not so? If we cannot keep to an agreement, it's dangerous to do any business with you. It's like when I was governor, I know how difficult it was. I came here, I said, support me. If you support me, be assured that I will not forget the game of local government. Our leader, Leslie Brain, has rolled out the things we're able to do. And I'm sure since I left, I don't know whether you have had anything again. But let me tell you, every mistake we have made, we'll correct it. Every mistake we have made, we will correct it. So from time to time, listen to what President will tell you. From time to time, listen to what Peter Abe will tell you. From time to time, listen to what the vibrant chairman of the Local Government Council will tell you. And listen to the two-party chairmen of the APC and PDP, what they will tell you. This is the only state that has a rainbow coalition that is working very well, putting the two parties together. You've heard what the chairman of PDP in this IGA said. You heard what the chairman of APC said. There's nothing like party for us. All we have is New Hope family. Everybody is in New Hope. And let me assure you, being steadfast, being firm, and committed to this family, all those that will say will run, will make sure you win an election. Just see that we have no other place other than to stay under this family and get whatever we want to get. I will say thank you again. I wish all of you Happy New Year. This year will be better than last year. Amen. This year will be better than last year. And Degema will benefit from it.
Here she tell me something. I